Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the app which will provide you with the keyboard like messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like here, and all we have to do is to enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. You don't have to scroll down, you can just use the search area, and whenever you will find it, just tap on it. Tap on the region. And here we've got the keyboard types, which depend on the language itself also. So sometimes you will be able to pick only 1 or 2, and sometimes even up to 5 or even 7 different keyboard types. So let's pretend I want to use this one. So let me mark it and untick this option. I don't need this. So if you're ready, tap on Done. And the Urdu language in my case has been applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we will have, we are going to have 2 differences. Right now only one is visible. So the globe icon, it will act just like a language key. So we can change the keyboard modes, the keyboard types basically. And right now we can see the second difference, so the spacebar. It's not empty anymore, because as you can see right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So you can always check that and you will be sure which keyboard you are using. Alright, so this is basically how to add the language to keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change it, have only one language applied, different than the system language. So then let's enter the settings, and here in this section, after adding new languages, we have to tap on this edit icon and mark those which we would like to remove. So I will remove Urdu as I want to leave English language. Tap on the trash bin icon, and after getting to the keyboard you can see that we do not have a globe icon, of course. We do not have the name of the language on the spacebar, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.